Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is the last part of how to use Apple's default note, and today we'll learn more about these notes. So at the end of the video I will give you pros and cons of this app, and so let's start. So in earlier videos we learned how to make notes, how to select note, and the basic introduction of the app. So today we'll move a little bit further. So let's start. Let's click the app. So this is your home screen. Sometimes you really want to add folder in a folder. So how to do that? Let's see. First click on the folder that you want to add a subfolder in. I'm selecting geography, and now I want to add a subfolder in this geography folder. So what we'll do, click on these three dots. Now you have a lot of options. Now you have the option add folder. We will click this and new writing section appears over here. So you can write the subfolder's name. Like I will write geography. This is the main folder, and I will write part 1 section A, and then you can click on save. So here the subfolder has appeared. So if you click on this, you will have your subfolder and the notes in that particular subfolder. So this is how you add folder in a folder. Next is the arrangement of notes and the folders. If you have notes in this main geography folder, you can select this three dots again, and then there are other options like move this folder geography to other folders that you have created in the Apple's default note. Then you can rename this folder. Now there are no notes in this folder, so there is select notes is not prominent, but the moment you have notes in this will appear in a prominent way. And then there is option sort by. If you click on this, there are date edited, means you have written the notes in back date and you want to edit the date and you want to add the current date. So that is called the date edited. And then date created. On that date you have created a note. You can select that so that all the notes arrange in this particular manner. And then there is title. Title means by the name. And then there is another option set. First is newest first, and second is oldest first. Newest is the current you have created a note, it will appear on top. Or if you have selected the oldest first, oldest note will appear on top, and then it will start. And then the second oldest, third oldest, according to that it arrange in descending order. And then there is option called group by date. If you have notes and you want to make sure that 4 or 5 notes are same date, they are grouped together, you can click on this. Then there's an option called view attachments. Whatever the attachment you have added to your notes, like your photos, PDFs, etc., you can see them through this option. Now there's option called convert to smart folder. Whatever you have selected, this will convert into smart folder. Right. So one thing is, if you click on the main folder, you can create notes in that. But if you click on the subfolders, the main folder will not be appearing. The subfolder will appear, and then you can start making your notes in that subfolder. And how to know that particular folder has a subfolder or not? So whenever you see a main folder and there is an arrow in front of that folder, means this folder has subfolders. You will see these two folders the moment you click this arrow. Now you can edit these folders as well. You can click on the edit, and then you can click on these three dots and you can edit according to your requirement. You can delete the folder, you can add the folder, and you can just move this folder and you can rename it as well. So this is the major and the basic functions of Apple's default note. Now, what are the pros and cons of this app? First, the pros. This is very efficient. It is free of cost. You can make lots and lots of notes, and it won't cost you any single penny. And you can sync these notes with your iPhones as well, and you can send these notes to your Androids as well. But the cons are, there are like one or two cons. The moment you open this app in a split screen, like I have opened this app in split screen, the thing is, the moment you open the notes, you have created your note and you have started writing, it won't zoom. So writing on these while having a split screen, you won't be able to zoom your note as it is possible in GoodNotes. So this is a very basic and very concerning disadvantage that really stops me using this thing. But if the Apple really corrects this thing, this is the perfect app for note taking. You don't have to spend lots and lots of money on those paid note taking app. So hope you like this video. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll be posting more and more tricks and tips about this app the moment I discover more. And please do share it with your friends and do comment down the queries you have. I'll be answering those queries as soon as possible. And thank you for watching.